is notice what's quietly becoming normal. Look at constant availability to everyone, replying to WhatsApp messages immediately, being reachable at all hours of the day, feeling pressure to respond quickly, even when it's not urgent. This could also be Black Friday deals. You buy things you would never buy because it's on sale, but instead we should be asking, why are these prices not less all the time? Interrogate the tactics and your relationships with FOMO, because blind adoption is not always a good thing. And to be honest, convenience decides everything. And for our own mental health and our own mental well-being, on these blind adoptions of these trends, is it a good thing? We need to start interrogating it. We need to slow down, because when pressure becomes normal, boundaries disappear without discussion. How to use this is important because you notice what you're doing automatically, and also you'll constantly understand where you're feeling rushed to constantly be responding and to reacting to everything that's happening in your life. And it's worth questioning it and not just trend hopping or doing it because everybody is expecting it of you, because it's a trend and everybody else is doing it. And if they're doing it, I must be doing it. No, that is not the way. Set the example. Then watch where responsibility is pushed onto individuals. Think about the rising cost of living. We're told to budget better, hustle more, manage stress, be more resilient. And while food, fuel, rent, and school fees and healthcare keeps rising, so what? Systemic problems start being framed as personal failures. We think that there's something wrong with us. But we need to use our political will. We need to start speaking up. We need to start putting our actions, not just walking the talk and complaining, but we also need to say, okay, right, I can't do this anymore. I can't spend the money over here. Or maybe, there's things that I can actively do as a responsible citizen